I've learned to really overcome that noise, that voice in your mind that keeps saying no, it's okay, the one that really forces you to stay within your comfort zone. The other people that I'm going to meet in life, or even people back home, the minute I came back, when I was telling them, people are like, what, you did that seriously? So that and second, it teaches you so much about it sort of trains you for the curveballs life is going to throw at me. She made me feel so much better about taking the show on, and more at ease and less anxious. Divyanka was very very happy to hear from me, and मैंने उनको जो भी बताया है वो इतनी खुश थी, like a proud mother is. That was exactly what her reaction. Such a lovely and heartwarming experience to see my mother step into motherhood. And I held them, those two little munchkins, in my hands. Like, words don't do justice to what. Hi, this is Rohanika Dhawan and you're watching me on Times Entertainment.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू टाइम्स एंटरटेनमेंट। आई एम विजय तिवारी और मेरे साथ है रोहानिका धवन, खतरों के खिलाड़ी 15 से। रोहानिका, वेलकम टू टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया।
Thank you.
And how was the experience on खतरों के खिलाड़ी? You were the youngest contestant on the show, so डर लगा या खतरों का डट के सामना किया? How was the experience?
It was one of the best life experiences that I could have gotten. So much learning has taken place from there, and so much self-growth, which is the biggest victory in my eyes, at least. I've learned to really overcome that noise, that voice in your mind that keeps saying no, it's okay, the one that really forces you to stay within your comfort zone. So that is the learning experience for me and the takeaway.
रोहानिका, ये शो एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पर यूजली लोग थोड़े एक्सपीरियंसेस लाइफ के करने के बाद यूजली करना चाहते हैं. दे डोंट वांट टू डू इट एट सच एन अर्ली एज ऑफ अर्ली लाइफ. आपको क्यों लगा कि दिस इज द करेक्ट टाइम टू डू द शो, या मुझे थोड़े सालों बाद करना चाहिए? व्हाट वाज गोइंग इनटू योर माइंड व्हेन यू वर ऑफर्ड द show?
I've always loved this show, and I mean it. I'm not saying it because I'm being asked about the show or I'm on the show, but every kid has been very fascinated till today that it's such a cool show to be a part of. And imagine the stories I'll have to tell to the other people that I'm going to meet in life, or even people back home. The minute I came back, when I was telling them, people are like, what, you did that seriously? So that and second, it teaches you so much about it sort of trains you for the curveballs life is going to throw at me, it's just the beginning. It's about to get very hard and very difficult. In fact, I think Rohit sir said this, that life's never a flat line, it's only a flat line when you're gone. There are going to be ups and downs.
Yeah.
So it teaches you how to face those ups and downs so beautifully.
And what were your preparations before the show? लोग आप, मैंने जितना दिव्यांका के ब्लॉग में देखा कि आपका स्विमिंग एक स्ट्रेंथ था, but any specific preparation that you did before stepping?
I don't think it's a show आप प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो इस शो के लिए. सर्टनली मैं बहुत एथलेटिक हूँ और मेरा आई लव स्पोर्ट्स. सो इफ इट हैज़ टू डू समथिंग विथ स्पोर्ट्स, आई वुड बी a natural at it, because I'm good at that and I do have good strength. So that was one advantage that I had, but it's a mind game. It's nothing to do with your body or your how strong you are physically, but more how strong you are mentally. Initially, I was really psyching myself out. I was re-watching the episodes, just getting myself used to what I might get into. But वहाँ जाके I reached a state of mind कि जब stunt होगा ना तब देखी जाएगी. उससे पहले to build that anxiety up, already I was very very anxious. To build it up would not do me any good.
Yeah. And new journey, खतरों के खिलाड़ी तो थे ही, लेकिन आपके साथ बहुत सारे टीवी इंडस्ट्री के फ्रेटर्निटी के लोग थे. Have you made new friends?
Of course I have made new friends. In fact, I say I like them so much. All of them have really treated me like their friend, which is what I wanted from since day one. I didn't want them to think of me as a child or really. They've all taken so much care of me, and because they're older than me, they've. I'm surprised they've gelled so much with me, and they've taught me so much about what's to come and how this industry really works, which is something I'm really going to need for a future and a career in this industry. So there's a lot of learning happening there as well.
Yeah, you share a very close bond with दिव्यांका क्योंकि आपने ऑन स्क्रीन डॉटर प्ले किया था. हाउ प्राउड शी इज जब आपने आके अपनी बातें बताई एंड आप जब जा रही थी तो उनसे कितना स्ट्रेंथ लेके गई?
डेफिनेटली उनसे ही बातें की थी जाने से पहले, एंड शी मेड मी फील so much better about taking the show on, and more at ease and less anxious. Divyanka was very very happy to hear from me, and मैंने उनको जो भी बताया है वो इतनी खुश थी, like a proud mother is. That was exactly what her reaction. My mother and her reaction, you can't tell them apart. Even when she watches the stunts, I really really hope to make her proud.
And you also met her twins. How was that experience कि अपनी ईशिमा के बेबीज को देखना?
Such a lovely and heartwarming experience to see my mother step into motherhood, and I held them, those two little munchkins, in my hands. Like, words don't do justice to what I was feeling in that moment.
एंड यहाँ पे काफी फीमेल कंटेस्टेंट्स थी जो गर्ल हैं, जैसे रुबीना है एंड जैस्मिन है, फरहाना है. आपका एक्सपीरियंस उनके साथ कैसा रहा?
Ruby is such a strong woman. That lady does not give up, and she has a very strong mind, stronger than mine. If I aspire to be as I wish I'm even half as strong as she is. And so is Farhana. They've gone in, even Jasmine, they've gone in with the mindset that okay, we'll do it and we'll see, we'll think about the consequences later. And Jasmine's here for the third time, which takes so many guts. She's also somebody, Jasmine and I are very similar as people, so naturally we tend we bonded really well.
एक बात जो आपने दिव्यांका के व्लॉग में भी डिस्कस की थी कि आपने तो बहुत ही आराम से स्मूथली आपने सबके साथ बॉन्ड बना लिया और बाकी सबने भी आपके साथ बना लिया, लेकिन वी आर इन अ जनरेशन ऑफ सोशल मीडिया जहाँ पे लोग ज़्यादा सोचते नहीं हैं, बस उनके पास एक फ़ोन है और उन्हें सबके बारे में कुछ ना कुछ अपना जजमेंट पास करना है. एंड यू ऑल्सो फेस्ड अ काइंड ऑफ थिंग कि आप सबको नाम से बुलाती हैं तो उसको कुछ लोगों ने अदरवाइज ले लिया कि एंड दे स्टार्टेड अटैकिंग यू. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से?
It does not matter, because the thing is, I'm also an 18-year-old girl now. I'm not a kid anymore कि मैं सबको auntie और uncle बुलाऊं.
बिल्कुल.
I'm not, if I call you an auntie right now,
nobody
you
will
not
appreciate
like
it. Yeah.
Or if I call, now even though I was with such senior actors, we have gone out together. We've celebrated Karan Wahi's birthday together. We've partied together, and they've treated me like, oh, she's one of us.
Yeah.
Because I do feel like I'm one of them. I do tend to gel very, very well with adults. So I don't think it's perfect sense. Like Harsh G, it's Harsh G is coming out because I don't know, for some reason I kept calling him Harsh G. So there was a point on the show, because he roasts people, I roasted him back, because I was also like, how dare you say this? I'm also going to hit back. So when I did, I said, Harsh Ji, aap to bhi aise hi ho na. I said something like that, but it didn't come off like I'm roasting him, because he preferred to be called like that. Rubina, I call her Ruby. Or Jasmine, sometimes all of us have called her Jas on the show. So
it really doesn't matter.
It really doesn't matter as long as they're okay with it, and I have utmost respect for everybody.
Yeah. अब वैसे भी रिस्पेक्ट क्या, वर्ड्स से ज्यादा आप क्या फील करते हो दूसरों के बारे में उसमें. एंड वी आर इन अ जनरेशन जहाँ पे लोग वो मैडम सर लगाना प्रेफर नहीं करते. वी आर इन अ प्रोफेशनल वर्ल्ड और लोग वैसे ही एक दूसरे को एड्रेस करना पसंद करते हैं. जस्ट बिफोर रैपिंग अप, आई वुड लाइक टू नो कि काफ़ी सारी तैयारियां पर्सनल लाइफ में भी चल रही हैं, एंड जैसे दिव्यांका ने बोला, आई ऑल्सो फील दैट यू आर मेड फॉर द बिग स्क्रीन. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग देयर? ऑडिशंस दे रहे हो, कुछ कर रहे हो?
Definitely auditions दे रहे हैं. Auditioning is the most integral part of an actor's life. You have to audition. It's like आपके पास एक नया script है, a new chance to mold yourself into a new character, learn something new, मिले या ना मिले. तो I definitely want to see myself on the big screen. Why not?
Any preference? किसके साथ काम करना है? कोई wish list है?
मुझे तो बस काम करना है. I want to do good work.
गुड.
Yeah, somewhere where I can really show off my acting skills.
बिफोर रैपिंग अप कुछ कहना चाहती हैं आप अपने फैंस को जो हमेशा आपकी जर्नी से जुड़े रहे हैं?
आपने मुझे बचपन से बड़े होते हुए स्क्रीन पर देखा है एंड नाउ आज रात से मैं आऊँगी खतरों के खिलाड़ी पर, तो देखना ना भूलिए खतरों के खिलाड़ी डर का नया दौर ओनली ऑन कलर्स इन जियो हॉटस्टार.